In this video, I'll show you how a multi-flash thunder and lightning effect works in a diorama. I am going to show you how it works in a boxed diorama. This is a factory I modeled after an old silver factory in Warsaw, Poland. It's inside a box made of card. It fits into my model shelf. Across the top, there are two WS2812 LED strips that give lighting, a daylight cycle. You'll see that operate. Then there are three white strips that flash lightning. This is all described through links below. All the information that you need about how to make it, the kits, etc. are linked down below. So go down there and look. First, we're going to start looking at this at night. What you see here are all the security lights in that diorama. And now we're going to see some timed lightning start to flash. This is what it looks like at night. Notice how the flash varies in location in the diorama, front to back, and then also a little bit of color change because one of the strips I have up in the top is not pure white, but it's a strip that has RGB in it, and I cross-connected them. You'll see now how the diorama starts to light as this goes through the daily cycle. This is a 24-hour cycle. It's a fast clock. You can set the cycle as long as you wish. Normally I have it set for about half hour, midnight to midnight. But for the purpose of this video, I have it working on a much shorter time frame. Now let's go on and look at a little bit more. I now have applied some light in the room so that you can see the colors of the buildings. And what you're seeing now is the 24-hour cycle go as dawn approaches and the morning light comes on and a thunderstorm is occurring. Now you can set the timing on the thunderstorm, how often, when, delays, and how many cycles. I have it set that it will only operate every 3 to 5 cycles. That's all part of programming, which you can easily do. So notice this again as the color changes or the light changes and the lightning storm goes. I'll let this go and you can watch how the different lights turn on, perimeter lights turn off, the building lights go on as the people come to work. All right, once again, we're going to go back to the view where I do not have the room lighted, so everything's dark. But this time, you'll see the lightning during daylight hours. And this is just another example of it. You're reminded all the instructions, everything can be provided to you. This is rather easy to make. It's all laid out very simply. I hope you like this. We do have other forms of lightning, colored lightning, single strip, light bulb. All that information is available in our website. I hope you have enjoyed this. I hope it helps you. And I want to wish you a good life and happy modeling. Thanks for watching, and once again, likes are appreciated.